In ASAP, we have considered as an IPL of to trip the wall.
Safeguard. Safeguard.
Correct, na? The same thing we did in the SIL also. Why SIL no? They here.
No. We are saying hijab alarm. Whether this was alarm in the hijab?
No. SIL also have alarm, same alarm.
No. We have not considered.
Yeah, Chairman,
Sherman.
actually, we understand the point.
Yes.
If we consider it,
Yes, yeah,
yes,
you are telling
harmful
that
for
you
the
are telling
present, we
you are
need to
telling
consider
yeah,
harmful
correct.
for seal. Same issue,
Yes.
LSPH and
You are telling
LSPH.
you are telling this trip is having alarm. Okay, the trip is protecting your ASAP scenario. Okay,
Correct.
in ASAP it is
Um,
considered. Why not SIL? I don't understand
Ms.
this.
Ru,
Okay.
this
Yes.
maybe
In
in
IPL.
SEAL, maybe for the sharing the same final element, we didn't consider this as an IPL.
Consider.
Yes,
It is
that's
sharing
why
the
maybe
same
something
football.
happened in Hazop, but not considered as a IPL in SEAL. But anyway, I understand our chairman's intention. That yes or no, well, not in fact, because anyway, this is a abnormal process condition. It will be considered as a alarm. So whether click that as yes or no will not influence the result.
No. We are not discussing reference the result or not. Result is okay, nothing. That is my important result. Result, leave it. I have to make ensure this correct or wrong what you're doing.
Yes, as per current explanation, I think this is not considered in sale for IPL.
Yes. So
Okay,
the
in
reason
ASAP,
what-
but however in ASAP it is IPL.
It's
Yes.
safeguard.
not
It is,
IPL.
Safeguard.
it is a safeguard in
Safeguard.
HASO.
But because in the sale is sharing the same final element with the safe, so it's not considered as an IPL for this.
Yes. So
Yeah, because when in sale, when you analyze this safe, then you cannot
we don't
consider
consider.
this as your IPL.
Correct. So Guru, just
dependent alarm.
just to
Yeah, it is like that in HASOP anyway. For
Just-
example,
just
on
to-
this scenario, yes, I have a high. That's
Yeah.
a safeguard. But in the safe,
No, but it is not
Yeah.
clear. You take a credit for the safe function itself
correct.
as a safeguard. You are not asking operator to intervene. You have
Yeah,
at least that the safe will protect you as a safeguard
Yeah, correct.
against high level.
Correct.
Yes.
That's
You cannot see
It is
the
an
it's a-
event. It is first
In
of all
both
it is an
cell,
event.
in
Yeah.
both cell and hazard, I consider it part of the entire safe. It's
Yes.
not independent
It
alarm.
is a
to be an alarm.
event. After tripping it, I'm getting the alarm. Correct.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
So
It is a event.
Guru, let me explain. I do not know. I mean, what is the level of our understanding? In hijab, we consider everything, whether non-IPL and IPL. So in hijab, the chairman has considered LAHH on high level. It will trip and alarm.